Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show how I was able to make $2,900 in less than a minute. These are the parameters that I used. It was a bracket interval of 8, cancel 30 seconds, a bracket placement time of 11:59:59, traded 8 contracts, target at 25, stop at 12, enabled the live account, and this is how the trade went. Okay, at 11:59:59, brackets are going to enter the charts. There we
Order
go.
pending.
A few seconds later, made a big
Order
move,
cancelled.
going short to make $2,900, and that took about 6 seconds. Well, that's just another example of what our software is capable of doing. If you're interested in becoming a member, or if you want to contact us for more information, you can visit us at evtradingsolutions.com.